Hello friends and welcome to the lecture. In last lecture we have studied air pollution and effects of air pollution. In this lecture we will learn water pollution and reasons and effects. Can you tell for which different purposes do we use the water? We use water for drinking, cleaning purposes as coolant in motor vehicles and many other purposes. How much percent of the Earth's area is occupied by water? Water occupies 71% of the total area of the Earth. What are the reasons of water pollution? Industrial waste, water and sewage waste, pesticides, fertilizers, radioactive waste from atomic power plants are few reasons of water pollution. Water is said to be polluted when it becomes unclean and poisonous due to mixing of natural or artificial unwanted material. When it becomes harmful to living organisms due to decreased oxygen content, when epidemic diseases are spread through the water. Fresh water or marine water pollution includes physical, chemical, and biological changes. Water pollutants. There are three types of water pollutants: biological pollutants, inorganic pollutants, and organic pollutants. Let's see one by one. First is biological pollutants. Water does not remain potable due to algae, bacteria, viruses, parasites, etc. Diseases are spread due to biological pollution. Organic pollutants. Organic pollutants like weedicides, insecticides, fertilizers, sewage, industrial effluents, etc. Inorganic pollutants. Suspended particles like fine sand, dust, soil, precipitates of salt, compounds of arsenic, cadmium, lead, mercury, and traces of radioactive material. Reasons of water pollution. There are two types of reasons. First is natural reason and second is man-made reason. Natural reason: aquatic weeds, depletion in oxygen level, changes in natural qualities of water. Second is decomposing matter, decomposing bodies of plant, animals. Third, mud, sludge, river current and its diversion. Fourth is soil erosion. Many biotic and abiotic factors are added to water due to soil erosion. Microbes like fungi and bacteria grow on organic matter decaying in water. 6. Algae. Excessive algal growth pollutes water. Nematodes. Soil nematodes flow in with rainwater. Reasons of water pollution: man-made reasons. First man-made reason is domestic sewage. Domestic sewage from villages and cities is disposed of in river water. Second is industrial effluent. Various pigments, bleaching chemicals, leather pieces, fibers, mercury, lead, etc. are released into water. Oil spillage. While transportation, cleaning of tankers, oil spills into water. Fourth, use of fertilizers and pesticides. NPK containing chemicals, fertilizers Pesticides like endrine, chlorine, carbonate containing pesticides flow and mix with water. Other reasons: disposal of human waste, washing of clothes, decomposing hemp and flax in water, disposal of ashes, floral of offerings of God, water from thermal power plant, etc. Effects of water pollution. There are three main effects of water pollution. Let's see one by one. First is effect on human being. Diseases like typhoid diseases of skin and alimentary canal, ailments of liver, kidneys, brain, deformities in bones, hypertension, etc. Effects on ecosystem: retarded plant growth, loss of plant species, increase in salt content of water, decreased dissolved oxygen level, dist- disturbance in aquatic ecosystem, death of aquatic animals, adverse effects on seabirds. Third effect: changes in physical and chemical properties of water, changes in natural color and taste, useful aquatic fauna is destroyed, soil fertility is affected, toxic materials are added to crops. Okay, thank you.